All right, Marco, let's get you out of here on this. So, for the average C-suite executive listening to this podcast, what should they do to accelerate their private label brand growth?
Yeah, that's a very good question, Chris. It requires quite a lot of focus and discipline, right? I think the most important aspect of this is to build the commitment throughout the leadership team within the organization. Firstly, at the chief merchant level, chief merchants have to treat private brands with the same level of attention to detail or even higher that they use for national brands. This is not just about setting up targets, but it's also being consistent and having a year-round commitment around, for example, product innovation, planograms, promotions, and so on and so forth. You need to have strong support from all the other functions. Think about supply chain to ensure availability of the product, procurement to kind of have the right vendor partnerships, and ultimately the execution in the stores. Marketing has to be highly engaged to provide, focus and investment to the development of the brands. Ultimately, the commitment to private brands have to start at the CEO and CFO levels, because they have to be able to align the entire leadership team of the organization around a shared goal and also a clear set of KPIs and targets. The investments have to be measured to the ambition, and the private brand teams have to be right-sized and at the same time empowered to drive change. You need dedicated investments in branding, in marketing, but also in, for example, developing production capabilities with some of your suppliers. I mean, in essence, private brand development today is more an imperative than an option for many grocers. And, you really need a strong commitment from the entire organization. But the good news are that the players that are able to achieve that positioning very often are delivering stronger market results and at the same time, strong shareholder results.
Thanks, Marco.
Great. Thank you.